का प्रतिबिंब है।
Department of Urban Affairs today launched the project Beautification of Public Buildings. A cleaning drive was also organized as part of Swachhata Hi Seva campaign. Vijay Kumar D, Commissioner and Secretary, was the chief guest. With festive season round the corner, the Urban Affairs Department has taken up initiative to beautify public buildings in the Shillong city. Later, the Swachhata pledge was administered to the participants. A cleaning drive was also organized at Matpran on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti. Meanwhile, a program was also organized at Gandhi Buniyadi High School and cultural programs were presented.
So all these efforts have happened by the joint effort of the people. The most important, I think, thing that the Swachh Bharat mission has done is involving the people. So at every level, at the villages we have the village water and sanitation committees, at the towns we have the locality water and sanitation committees. So all these committees, all the individuals have come together to make this Swachh Bharat happen.
The